In this video, we will show you how to fix the problem of your Gravity Treadmill's stuck incline. After powering off the unit, remove the motor cover plastics to reveal the stuck incline. Wrap a protective covering around the threaded shaft of the incline motor as shown. We suggest using vice grips to turn the groove drive away from the motor 2 to 3 times. Once you power on the unit again, the incline motor will engage and return to where it was calibrated for an Apex Treadmill. You can see the extra groove showing. This is not how it is supposed to look on a Gravity Treadmill. At this point, you should log into the maintenance mode of the console to reconfigure the console from an Apex to a Gravity Treadmill. Once that is accomplished, power cycle the unit. The console will then prompt you to run a calibration. Here is a look at the calibration process from 2 different angles. Notice the grooves on the threaded shaft. This is how it should look on your Gravity Treadmill. The message on your console should tell you the calibration process was a success. Press the stop button and your console will exit maintenance mode and be ready for the next user. At this point, you can put the motor cover plastics back in place and power on the machine. Thank you for watching this short video. Please contact us if you have any further questions.